Hi, my friend. This is Tasche, and thank you for coming to check out Stealth Commissions. Now, this is Ben Martin's brand new course where he's going to show you how to make money using YouTube as your main traffic source. And it's not one of those typical YouTube affiliate marketing courses. There's a lot more involved in it, and you're going to learn a lot about really establishing yourself as an expert on YouTube. But you can learn all about the product here on the sales page. So once my video here is done playing, go ahead and check it out and learn all about the product, and then make a decision on taking action to get it for yourself. What I want you to do first, though, is look right below me in this window. You're going to see a couple of things. You're going to see a countdown timer, and then you're going to see a button that says Claim Your Bonus. And when you click that button, that's going to take you to my bonus page where I have a highly valuable bonus package for you when you take action now and you grab your copy of Stealth Commissions through my link. In fact, that bonus package is worth over $34,000. You can learn all about that on the bonus page. Now, the countdown timer is going to tell you a couple of things. It's going to tell you, first of all, when the launch of Stealth Commissions is going to close. Because it's going to be going from, it's going to open up April 10th, 2018 at 10 a.m. EST, and it's going to close out on April 15th at 11:59 p.m. EST. Now, once that launch period is done, the price of the product may go up, okay, if it's even still available. And the bonuses you're going to be getting that you'll see by clicking the button below, those will be taken away after the launch closes. So you have until that time to get the bonuses as well. So again, check out the bonus page here, and then make sure that you click the button down below to check out the bonuses, and make sure you grab your copy of Stealth Commissions before the timer below me hits 0. That way you can secure the best price and you can secure all those bonuses as well. So with that, guys, thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.